Hello, very good morning. Sure, sure, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Wait for a few minutes, we'll start. Good morning, everyone. Wait for a few
Hi everyone, which team is ready to present first? Is PCC is ready?
Hi everyone, which is ready to present first?
Everyone, please name yourself with project number at last, like CV PZ Roman.
Toyed, are you ready to go first? You're not audible, Toyed. Rakesh, can you hear them?
No,
Guys, please make sure that you're joining with a good connectivity.
we will take first. So I think CVP16 are ready to give the presentation. So many people are attending. Tawud, Hemant, Bhuvanam, Imran, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, are you guys present right now?
Yeah, Toyed, please do join back again as quick as possible. So meanwhile, maybe your team can start. Um,
Hemant, are you there? Hemant from PB16.
Guys, in case you don't respond, there's no point that you guys are showing up here today. So, is P7 ready? Vinila, Nandini, Prashant.
Shanmukha.
Yes, ma'am. We're ready.
Alright, yeah. So please do screen share, or Rakesh, maybe you can stop screen sharing.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please do go ahead.
Then we will take some suggestion from Yamansa
and
and
taken
taken
an AP electricity
electricity
data
data
set.
set.
Then we
Then we
have
have
worked
worked
on
on
it.
it.
This
This
is,
is
this is
this is
the
the
data
data
set we
set we
have
have
taken a
taken a
description, ma'am.
description
It
from it
was,
was,
and I
and I
have
have
been
been
performed
performed. Then
data
we will
cleaning
take some
purpose
suggestion from
and
Yamansa
all,
and
and we
taken
have taken
AP
5 series of
series of
data,
data,
weather
whether
data,
data
which
which
will
will
be
be
compared with
compared with
and how it
how it
works,
works,
how it
how it
affects the
affects the
electricity
electricity
demand
demand
with
with
respect
respect
to
to
the
the
temperature and
temperature and
conditions
conditions
all.
all.
That's why
That's why
we
we
make
make
use
use
of an
of
API
API
visual
visual
processing
processing
for
for
weather
weather
data,
data,
and we
and
have
we
been
have been
fetched
fetched
5 series
5
of
series of
data
data
and
and
merged
merged
all
all
into the
into the
one.
one.
This was
This
the
is the
data
data
which I
which
have
I
been
have been
measuring,
measuring,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then
Then
then we
then
will
we will
work
work
on
on
refactoring
refactoring
the
the
features
features
for
for
model building,
model
ma'am.
building, ma'am.
We
We
have been
have been
build
build
many
many
features
features
like
like
peak
peak
time,
time,
like
like
6 to
6 to
10 p.m.
10
how
p.m. How
consumption
consumption
was
was
of
of
electricity is
electricity is
going
going
on
on
in
in
several
several
cities which
cities
we
which we
taken.
taken.
Then on
Then
we
on we
will
will
just
just
train the
train the
LSTM
LSTM
model so
model
far,
so
and it
far, and
was
it was
not that
not
much
that much
accurate
accurate
as
as
expected,
expected
because
because
LSTM model
LSTM
is
model is
not
not
working
working
well
well. 6
on
to
the
10 p.m. How
time series
consumption
models.
was of electricity
Let
is
me
going
show you
on
the
in several cities which we.
graph, ma'am. You will better to. This is the
This is the
prediction
prediction
visualization
visualization
of
of
LSTM model
LSTM model
on
on
electricity
electricity
demand
demand
with
with
respect
respect
to
to
different
different
conditions, ma'am.
conditions, ma'am.
Actually, the
Actually, the
predicted
predicted
value
value
is so
is
much
so much
less than
less
and
than and
deviating from
deviating
the
from the
actual
actual
one,
one
because
because
it
it
does
does
not
not
shoot
shoot
well
well
for
for
this
this
time
time
series, ma'am.
series, ma'am.
We
We
need
need
to
to
work
work
on
on
Prophet or
Prophet or
Arena
Arena
models
models
or
or
hybrid
hybrid
models like
models like
LSTM plus
LSTM plus
XE
XE
boost
boost
in the
in the
future
future
enhancement,
enhancement,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, got it, Prashant. So are we done? Or do you have anything else?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So
So
far,
far,
what we
what we
have
have
done is
done is
with I
I
explained,
explained,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We
All
We
have
right.
been
have been
confused in the
confused in the
last two
last
weeks
2 weeks
regarding
regarding
data,
data
and
and
with
with
no
no
proper
proper
requirement,
requirement.
we
We
didn't
didn't
get
get
requirement.
requirement.
Okay.
We didn't
We didn't
understand
understand
requirement
requirement
well.
well.
That's why
That's
we
why we
stuck
stuck
it for
for
last
last
two
two
weeks.
weeks.
And
And
Rakesh sir
Rakesh sir
told
told
that
that
let's
let's
take
take
some
some
time
time
and
and
work on
work on
profit
profit
model.
model.
Then we
Then we
will
will
do
do
whatever
whatever
it
it
will
will,
be, what will
what
be
will
the
be the
best.
best.
Got it. So, any other member from a team? Do you have anything to add up? Vinila or Nandini?
Ma'am, actually, like we will start working on the perfect model from tomorrow. And once we find which model is working better, or do we have to go for the hybrid model, we will finalize it, and then we'll uh, go for testing.
Okay, got it. Yeah. So, the audience, do you guys have any questions for P7? Do you have any questions? All right. Yeah, thank you, P7. So, can we go ahead with P8 now? Do we have P8 here?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Divya Prakash.
Yeah, ma'am. Today, due to some issues, we cannot present today, ma'am. We'll show in further session.
Okay, so you're not ready with it? But I
Yeah,
believe
ma'am.
you guys have already completed the project, right? So maybe you can just
Yeah, we have completed our project.
yeah, so maybe you can at least speak for 5 minutes. What was your project and what was the end product that you have made?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, so basically, our project is wearable condom for emergency for triage to ambulance staff, ma'am. So, as part of project, we have implemented hardware using the components such as ESP32 and a push button and 4 LEDs. So for that, we have took the real world scenarios such as when an accident occurs or something happens to any person on road. So it takes time for the ambulance to reach there and take the patient and share the details to hospital or doctor. And for starting the treatment, it might take a lot more time and it may result in the death of the person. So to avoid such scenarios, we have developed this project. So basically, what it does is, when the ambulance staff assesses the patient condition, he can share the triage status of the patient to the doctor through the hardware. So with single push button, by pressing the push button, each time it changes triage status. The LEDs indicate the triage status. The green indicates that the patient is all right and can be done once hospital. And red indicates immediate action needs to be taken. So the doctor, according to that, makes the necessary preparation, and hospital management makes necessary preparations. And if it is yellow, the patient needs mild attention or mild concern of the doctor. So if the triage color is blue, the patient is dead.
Yeah, Divya Prakash. So do we have anyone from your team who wants to add up to what you have told?
No, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, thank you, Pete. Do we have P13 now? P16, are you guys ready? Bhuvana.
Hello, ma'am. If you could just give me a 5 minutes, then we will be ready.
All right, your firm. P13, is it?
16.
Okay. So please do mention your project name right after your name on the account so that even I can understand who is from which team. So any other team that is ready to present? P17, P20.
Ma'am, we want to present. We are from CV13.
All right, yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, it is our AI photography studio. Our main aim is to make it accessible for people
Yeah,
using.
sorry to interrupt, Sweta. Do you have any PPT that you guys have got?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you have any presentation?
We have got our code, ma'am.
All right, you can share that. Maybe you can screen share.
Yes, ma'am. This is our code, ma'am. Uh, this is we have taken a data set which has two subfolders having HQ and LQ. HQ is for high quality images and LQ is for low quality image. And we have created the data set ourselves as there was no ready-made data set. Firstly, there is data cleaning, ma'am. We have taken a few libraries here, like OS and CV2, and then we have extracted it in a zip file, and we have moved on with outputs generation also, and we went through further steps like model training, adding filters, and testing. Adding filters, we took preset filters, and we took other filters also. We further want to make it we further want to enhance the photo by taking background remove and other features. Sirisha will continue, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Sirisha, please continue.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sirisha. You're audible. You can continue.
In the model training, we have used enhancer NN, ma'am, which will help in the image enhancement. When we upload our file, we will train our file using some libraries like NumPy, Matplot, and TensorFlow, and CV for the image enhancement. In the data sets, we have low quality images and high quality images. When we provide the low quality images, it will in as output we will get an high quality image map. And we have trained using enhancer NN model, so we get the more enhanced images. And in the testing part, we have used in the testing when we in the testing we have provided the input as a low quality image, and we will get the high quality images. Yeah? When we give the low quality image, it will provide a ground truth HQ image and a filtered image. And in the background, we have given more images, and when we provide a low quality image, it will provide filters and it will provide an enhanced images.
Yeah, Sirisha, are we done?
Yeah.
Alright, so the audience, do you have any questions for her?
I have one question. Hello.
Yeah, Sarthak.
Yes. Have you used the pre-trained model or do you make your own models for this? Like there are some pre-trained model available in the public sector different channels.
We have created our own data set, and
Which type of model is RNN, CNN for the image classification? How this input work?
we have used
CNN model, sir.
CNN. Can you explain how this image is passed the training model, then the hidden layer, and the output will how this works? How the pixel is improving with the XQ and the LQ?
sorry, sir, can you repeat the question again?
As you said, you have used the CNN model.
So can you explain a little more about it? Means the range or some functions or how you improve the pixels of that particular image or removing the background? Means how you implement that?
When we use the CNN, it will take the low quality images as an input, and it will check whether the output has any noisy or uh, any unrequired filters, and it will remove the unrequired filters in the background stuff, and it will provide us a high quality images for us. In the CNN, we have used an enhanced NMN, which will provide a better output for us.
This is the much even hard copy images or you can do a random images for this particular data set. Means these
So
are hard copy images.
for the testing, we have provided the image parser, but when we go through the process, we can give a particular image, whatever image we can give as an input, it will provide our output. But in this code, we have given the path of the image testing. For the testing, we have
Okay,
provided
okay.
the image parser, but when we go through the process,
Yeah, any other questions? Alright, yeah, thank you, P13. Is P16 ready now? Bhuvana, are we ready?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Toid, you can continue. Toid, are we good to go? Yeah. You're on mute, Toid, you'll have to unmute.
Hello. Good morning. So my name is Mohammad Abdul Tahir, and today, on behalf of CVP16 and photography and videography booking platform, and I will be presenting our project. So this platform is designed to make it easier for the customers to find and book a professional photographers and videographers near them. So let me walk you through our idea. So our problem statement, so our vision is today customers face major challenges when trying to book a photographers or videographer. There is no easy way to compare creators based on locations. So on our daily basis, we just try to connect our connections. Like if you have any uh, known videographer or photographers, could you let me know? Like clients often struggles to find a trusted professionals who are actually deliver the quality of work. On the other hand, creators face difficulties in reaching out, so they will also just try to let them know who are willing to connect, who are, so there is no proper reach out to each other. So so here is found with the gap. So our solution is so connecting. So our vision is a real-time discovery. So initially we can find a local creative professionals using our platform. So like other unicorns like Swiggy and Zomato, they have a real-time showcasing of their near restaurants. Like we are going to present our clients and rest of the other professional creators and reach out of reaching out to the professional creators. So we are going to let them know who are the nearest photographer and videographer who are registered in our platform. So our solution is a dedicated platform that directly connects customers with the photographers and videographers. So clients can reach out and filter based on city, location, and ratings, and price per hour, and complicated gigs like we just filter our links in the Flipkart, Amazon. So with the view of proof, with the ratings and review of the customers uploaded by creators, images like the previous works. So get a personalized recommendations through an integrated chatbot. So our weekly flow is we have started a new thing, a new by changing our mentor. So we have started a project again, like using we have done a login, sign up finalized, and user reviews are completed, and a backend login and sign up has been completed. So I would like our front end team to share the screen and showcase the code what we have done so far.
Yeah, Taid, is somebody from your team presenting?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. They are going to present. There is a small issue. Let me clear.
Okay.
So sorry for the delay. Let me showcase our UI UX designs. Till then, we will continue with the front end. So sorry for the delay. Let me showcase our UI UX designs. So here is our UI UX progress. Figma designs designed by our Hemant, by UI UX team. So landing page has done using strong visuals and CTS and services. In login and sign up pages, it's have been very done in a clean and minimal design. And also search and discovery page has been done. Here you can see our designs, like using the filters, ratings, and price, so they can filter the creators and make sure what they are going to expect from the creators using ratings, prices. So here is our, and about the sign in and login page. Uh, Here is our sign in and login page. You can see it's very minimalistic, and it's not a phone response. So it's a use a web responsive desktop We have not done responsive for phones, and our current status is uh, importance of UI UX is basically interest, our trust and accessibility and a professional experience. So it's need to be simple for the users to book and easy for the creators. It must be in a 3-step login page, like no need of any mess. So we have done our priority on the basis of these things. These are our designs. You can go with this. If you have any doubts, you can ask. We have our UI UX team. They will answer our questions. We do also have our payment flow. Here you can see it's a 3-step verification, like booking details and then select date and time, then select a payment. So here you can see you can pay with the cards, banks, and also transfers. So here is a total payment flow. So I request our content team to take it up and showcase our code.
Sorry for the interruption, ma'am. The front-end team is having some problems and some issues to join the meeting, so I'm going with the backend flow. I'm the backend developer. The backend of Mensac user authentication system that connects to MongoDB, handles users' registrations, login pages, and sends OTP via mails using NodeMailer. The project is modular, circular, and uses the environment variables for sensitive configurations. I would share. It is. Sorry. Okay, the dependencies we are using here is Express, Mongoose, and .env, NodeMailer, Node and JWT, Bytescript, and Congress validations. So we are using Express for server framework and Mongoose for MongoDB object modeling and .env to load the environment variables. NodeMailer for sending OTP through emails and JWT to generate verify JWTs and Bytescript for to secure the hashed user passwords. And for validators, we are using cross-origin support and invalidation. Okay, for server setup, we are using we initialize the Express. We initialize Express server connected to MongoDB using Mongoose Connect and enable JSON parsing and loaded routes from user.js. Next is we use email sending emails. Use NodeMailer to create transport for this to transport the mails. And this entire point of the app is it sets the midware and establishes the data to the server. env env has connected to MongoDB connection using a string URL. This is the final overview of the backend. Using this, we are sending the users authentication. We are currently working on the photographer's authentication using an ID. So this is how we are working on with backend. Our front-end team is having some but our front-end team has completed the user's login authentication using React. This is sending the users authentication. We are currently working on the photographer's authentication
Yeah,
using
Bhuvan, thank you. Now our front-end team, Imran will continue and showcasing our front-end code.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Imran from front-end team. Just a minute.
Yeah, Bhuvan, you can disconnect the screen sharing.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Imran from front-end team. Just a minute.
Imran, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am. Just one second.
Okay. Imran, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am. Just one second. Yeah, it's my screen is visible for everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. In our front-end team, we're using the React to be by using Wait to build a website. Yeah, currently we will be having the page of login, sign up, and verification code, and also a forgot page will be created in our front-end team. Me and Muzammil and Kanishka, we are working each other to create this page, and we will using styling for tiling CSS. Currently, we have not responsive, but in future we will be add the responsive. And this now we will be having the page like as the not working pages. We having the backend API interact with in the front end. We will be get the creator profiles and also a payment flow. That only is the delay in our project. There is a 90% work is completed in our project. The less than 10% work will be having incompleted in our work, ma'am. There is a sample code of our works, ma'am. Sign up page we are having written this code.
Okay, are we done, Imran?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, stop the screen sharing and let me continue.
yeah.
Yeah, thank you, P16. Do we have any questions for them?
Mm, yes, I have one question. How would you connect the backend with the frontend? Hello.
Yeah, Satvik, you're audible. Tohid, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. What's the question?
How did you connect the backend with the front end? You have done 90% of things first month.
Eh, yes, Sarthak. Actually, we are working on an integration with the backend and the front end. We have not done currently, so it's not a complete merged part. It's from a backend team and a front end team, as we have seen.
Okay. Okay. And I have one question about the backend. How do you use the middleware? How do you use the middleware for just doing the authentications or which type of middleware have you used?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain me about the more about the middleware you have used in your project?
So middleware is the setting server JS, like initialize the Express JS. We have initialized the Express JS, connected to the MongoDB using the string connect, and enable JSON parsing, and then we are loaded the routes. So that's it.
Okay, means you have used the MongoDB. Do you have used the MongoDB at last, the server platform about the AWS or
No,
no?
sir. At present, we are using it local system only. We did not host the policies.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, Tohid, do you still have something to present?
Uh, yes, ma'am. I think we are good to go. So this was our TPV16 presentation.
Okay. So, any
Yeah,
more
that's all.
questions? Any more questions from the audience?
So from the CP16, so our next steps are completing the remaining photographers and the registration APIs and conducting comprehensive responsive testings across devices, responsive for phones and the website. Then integrating UI UX designs with the backend APIs with the full functionality and integrating backend with the front end. So these are our next steps. So
Got it,
yeah,
Tohid.
thank you.
Thank you. So, if there are no questions, we'll go with the next team. Do we have P17 here? Rakesh, do we have P17 here?
You can call P20.
Okay. So, P20, maybe you guys can start.
Good morning, ma'am. As myself, K. Charan. So today I'm going to present our project titled Smart Fields. So we will be giving our physical documents to the our front end, and we will be extracting the key fields and it will presenting in the front end as the storing the parts will be back end. So filling out the physical forms such as government IDs and job fillings application, it will be a time taking and time consuming. It take a lots of efforts to the filling every details. So we make these smart films which can be used to fill easily and can be great for time saving and another works. So in this we'll be having the three roles, front end, back end and OCR. So as for now, front end will be presenting their work.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, guys. My name is Ramya from CBP20 as a front-end developer. Ma'am, with your permission, can I share my screen?
Yes, Ramya, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Ma'am, it is visible?
Yes, Ramya.
Yeah. Here we have a register. First you have to register with your, first you have to register. Let's take any name like Ankita. One second, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please give me a 5 minutes?
Yeah, sure, Ramya. Meanwhile, if any other team from your end can present, that should be fine.
Yeah, ma'am, backend will be present.
Alright.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, Prasanna.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Prasanna. In our project, we are taking for storing the data. We are using models of user, document, metadata, extracted fields, and document type. And in the user model, uh, the data which is given by the user, like username, emails, and their profile pictures uploaded, all will be stored in the not uploaded. User details would be stored in the user model. From the extracted field, the uploaded document would extract the fields which the document consists, and it would be stored in the extracted field model. And in the document model, when we upload the document, which type of document we are uploading, at which time did we upload, accuracies, and all will be stored in the document model. And the routes which we provided are authentication, uploading documents, extracted fields, metadata, analytic, and the OCR. In the authentication, we gave the routes for registering, login, and Google login, Google callback, and forgot password. And in analytic, we gave the dashboard route, accuracy route, processing status, trends, document type, recent document uploaded. And in the documents, when we upload the document, the uploads from the document root comes in the place. It stores the user ID, file name, file path, etc. And for rescanning, saving the draft of a document, and status of document, searching of a document history, recent document uploaded would be found in this documents file. These are the controllers. For registering, when the user registers using their email, username and password. If it's new user, the username, password, email, profile pic, and which time they created, last time they updated, that would be written. And if it's the user which is already existing, if the user is registered, then we'll get a message like user registered successfully. And for same for login, Google authentication, and for forgot password. For the documents, as I said, which type of documents would be uploaded, file names, and which time the uploaded, accuracy and status would be given. And let me show. Can this Mongo is sharing? Is this Mongo sharing?
Yeah, Prasanna.
Yeah, okay.
Hello.
I recently uploaded this a document, like for this username. Username is given as Prasanna, and these all are given at the uploading, and this is shared here. So as per username, the username is email and password all are taken. As for the password, it is showed in hash. These are the document details. I uploaded the document, and it is showing the user ID, file name, and which type, file URL, and resource type, file hash, status, processing stage, up at which time it is uploaded, at which time it is created and updated it, and the document type. As it is a document which I took from WhatsApp image, so it is showing the document type as unknown. As for the fields, it would store the extracted fields, and it will take the overall confidence, and same extracted it, created it, and updated it. And as for the metadata, it will store the file size, document type, and OCR instance. That's it from my side.
Yeah, ma'am. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, Ramya.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Here first register. Let me take Ankita. After successful registration, it will redirect to sign in. It will redirect to login page, ma'am. After successful login, it will redirect to dashboard, and here we have to upload a document. We can directly take from file manager. Let's take anything, and it will show like submit, delete, or re-upload. If you want to, if you don't want this up, if you don't want this file, then simply click and delete. And we have another option like scan document. We can simply capture anything. We can capture like this, and here we capture like this, like that. And here history. These are the recent documents. We can edit here the thing, extracted form data, and here logo. And if you want to start your free trial, it will again go to register. Yeah, that's it from front end. Now OCR team will continue.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Pranash speaker. So today I'm going to giving a presentation on our work, which is the OCR. So we have first we have imported libraries which are required for our project, and we have majorly used for OCR extraction PyTesseract and doctr for like text extraction, and for image handling and for pre-processing the images we have used OpenCV and Pillow library, which first when the user uploads different documents, the first it goes through the input, and next it uses OpenCV and Pillow OCR to like helps in image processing, and next it gives the major libraries for extracting the text from the documents or the JPG files. We have used PyTesseract and doctr, which helps in extracting the major major key fields which are present in the document. For like PDF extraction, we have used PDF Plumber, which is the popular PDF extractor tool, which is used for extracting the text fields from the PDF files. So we have uh, next we have majorly selected 5 documents, which are PAN card, Aadhaar, and mark sheet, driving license, and voter ID. So the so first the OCR will we have given different logic for each and every document. So first, when the user uploads any document, for example, we have first given just a minute. So for like example, we have uploaded the PAN card document. So first, the image is taken. So it even creates a bounding box on the key fields, and after it, based on the logic, it gives us the extracted text, what is present in the document. That's it from my side. Thank you.
CV20.
All right, yeah, thank you. Do we have any questions for P20 from the audience? Okay, so can we go ahead with P21?
John, you go with P29.
29, okay.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Pranav.
So I'm Pranav, the team lead of P29, and I'm going to describe about my presentation, that is simulation generation from the JD. And till now, what we have done is we have developed an AI-powered resume parsing system which can automatically extract and format key information from candidate resume into a clean professional structure. And some of the features it has is we can upload the document and we can have the option of preview it. And we have used for front end React, Java, TypeScript, and CSS for styling. As for the back end, we have used Flask API. And for the extraction, actually, we were supposed to use a parser from Hugging Face models from for NLP. As there was a time constraint, so what I did is I just implement. I just used Grok model. So into the backend code, the Grok model, I have given it a prompt training. I've trained it on structure training that you are this and this. You are supposed to be a parsing system, and the Grok model is showing pretty good results, which is compared to the original parser system which we are supposed to build. And I will be showing the Grok model as well as our the uh, user interface. So I'm going to share my screen now. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, Pranav.
So as you can see the code, this is the backend code, and this is the UI which we'll be dealing with, and this is the backend which we are dealing with. So I'm running the code. This is the backend code, and this is the front end code. This is the UI. Uh, is the UI visible?
Yes, Pranav, you can go ahead.
So this is how the UI looks like, and get started. I'm just filling out random details. So this is the so it asked me to upload a document over here, and keep my resume over here. This is my old resume. As you can see that total size is mentioned and total number of files uploaded. Status is red. I can add multiple documents. I can also add Word documents. I'm adding a random Word document. So we can preview the PDF like this, and we can like highlight also. Like if you want any if you feel like there is any important point, we can highlight. And as for the Word, the contents have been pasted like this. So where so this is the resume which I want to extract, and the details come out like this. Um, yeah, till now which we have done till here only the front end application.
All right. So, do we have any questions for this team from the audience? Do we have any questions? All right. Yeah, Pranav, thank you for the presentation. Can we go ahead with P21? Pranav, you can stop presenting.
Yes, ma'am. You can go ahead.
All right. Yeah, please go ahead.
I'm excited to introduce our Smart Feedback Generator project, which is mainly helps Mentor to generate and give comments on students' submission of any assignment or if they're attending any meetings. Then, based on their performance in their meetings, mentors can give feedback using AI to the students. For that, we are using rubrics, and today we have one of our teammate, Anand. He will be showing the mentor dashboard. So, Anand, can you present the screen?
Yes, yes. Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, Anand, you are audible. You could continue.
Yes, yes, miss. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yeah, Anand.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I am going to present our mentors feedback generation UI. This will be the main home page for the UI, mentors UI, where you can first you can see there is a welcome. It will welcome the mentor, and it will show the pending task for the day or the meetings which you can see here. And below we have the quick in the main dashboard we have quick feedback generation. Like mentor can generate feedbacks from here by clicking. It will redirect to that page. It can generate quick options for scheduling meeting. Then he can view the analytic part. He can get the reports here itself from the main dashboard. And below we have the performance, overall performance for the month. It will be presented in KPI as well as it can be shown in the graph forms. Here we have in the performance you can see how many total students have joined past few months, what are the active courses uh, going on in the by the mentor side, and how many feedbacks you have generated, and what is the completion rate of the assignments. And below is the recent activities done by the mentor. Okay. And in the UI, uh, in the mentors, we have to the left we have the meeting section. We can view the upcoming meeting schedules, and below that we have quick feedbacks. From here, by clicking on this, you can generate a quick feedback. And uh, when you click on this uh, welcome back page, you will see the pending schedules of the mentors, where you can view your pending schedules like pending tasks, the assignment submission, assignment review, or if you have the meetings, you can view that here itself, and you can complete that task by clicking on the start previewing, or you can view details from here itself. Then we have the AI feedback generator, the main part of our project, where mentor can generate the feedback for the students. here. Mentor here, mentor can choose the course, which course you want to generate feedback. You can select number of students here. Then you can select the template, or you can give the prompt, and it will generate a feedback for you. If I select, it will generate a uh, feedback, similar kind of feedback here to the right side. In this way, you can send that feedback to the students. You can save it as draft, or you can download it. Also, in this feedback section, we have template section, where you can get the different templates for generating the feedbacks. And we have the history options, where you can see the previously generated uh, feedbacks. You can review that feedbacks. You can also get the feedback revert from the students, like uh, the student had given the feedback on like the great detailed feedback, very helpful for my learning. In this way, you can also view the analytics, like you can get the reports, overall report, like how many feedbacks you have generated, what is the overall performance of the student, what was the average time they spent here. And you can also view the pros, uh, progress of the students. Here it will be the leaderboard. Then we have the section called courses. Here in this courses, you can in courses section, you can manage all the courses you have. Like I have data science fundamental course. You can view that courses, and you can manage the assignment from here itself, like this. You can create different assignments. You can give the title, description, and the details and the due date, and you can create the assignments from here. Then we have the student management. From here, you can manage the students. Like you can view the students. Uh, what are the who students? What are the students who have joined the course? What is the course, and what is the progress of that? You can view the profile. You can filter it out from here. You can view the status. They're active, or they have completed the courses. And these are some KPI cards, like which views total students, active students, how many students have completed the feedback. Then we have the communication section. In this, uh, the mentor can communicate with the students. It can share the files, or he can communicate with them. Then we have schedule meetings. In this meeting, mentor can schedule the meetings. Uh, we will have the calendar here itself. You can see the upcoming meetings below. You can join the meetings by clicking on the joining button. Then we have the recent meeting. What are the meetings that we have completed? Then we can generate feedback from here, like on the basis of meeting. What overall uh, how was the performance of the students during the meeting? On that basis, we will give the feedback, AI generated feedback, to the students who have participated, and those students who were absent in that meeting. Uh, that's all from my end. Uh, Jayaprada, you can continue with the student dashboard.
In our project, we have three dashboards. One is the mentor dashboard, which is presented by Anand, and the other is the student dashboard, and the final one is the super admin dashboard. So now I will present the student dashboard. I hope you guys can see the student dashboard. This is the general student dashboard here this is the welcome back thing. And here we can see the number of pending assignments and the credit points. Credit points is basically generated by the rubrics. Since we are giving feedbacks based on rubrics, those rubrics points will be added here as a credit points. And these are the awards earned by the student. And here he or she can see the overall attendance of number of courses they have. For an example, a mentor can lead a number of like maybe uh, more than three courses, as well as a student can also attend more than three courses. And here we can see the awarded feedbacks, the recent three feedbacks we can see here by the mentor. And here we can see if there are any upcoming event. In Coursevita also there is a hackathon done 2 weeks before. So here we can see the upcoming event. And here we can also see the upcoming meeting, which reminds us that we are having a meeting within a 15 minutes. If we are having a meeting within a 15 minutes, we can see here, and by clicking the join button here, we can join right away to the meeting. And if you click on to the scheduled meeting, it will navigate us to this page. Yeah. In this page, we can see what and all meetings have been scheduled and which day we have. And we can also see based on month-wise. Right now, this dashboard is based on week-wise. In July month, you can see today I have three meetings, and you can see here. And if you click onto the link, you will directed to the meeting. And same way, you can see tomorrow's meeting and Wednesday's meeting. And if you click onto the calendar also, in calendar you can also view the meetings. By clicking on it, you can see details about it and you can join it right away. Yeah. Coming to this part, this is the dashboard, and moving to the course part. Yeah, it will navigate us to this page. In course part, since a student may have more than two or three courses, we can see the total number of courses and already completed courses. If you click onto this, you can see the total number of courses. If you click onto this, you can see the number of completed courses. And if you click onto this, you can see number of hours spent. For an example, 56 hours. So for each course, there will be specific hour based or week based. So based on this, these will be generated. And here you can see the current streaks, how many days the student have logged in to the website concisely. So here you can see 40 days. And here you can see the courses. For an example, we have a computer network course. If you click onto this, it will navigate us to this. One second. Hmm. If you click on to this, it will navigate us to this page. Here you can see computer networks, the professor's name, and the progress of that course. Like we have finished at 75%. And then the overview, you can see join meetings. These are the meetings scheduled for only computer network course. And here, if you click on to the join course, we will join it to the meeting. And here we can see the assignments we have. We have due, and if you have submitted it already, you can view it, or else if you have due, you can upload it. If you click on to the upload button, it will navigate us to this page. Here you can upload the your PDF for assignments, and here you can see your uploaded PDFs. And if you want to delete something, you can delete it, or you can upload any other different thing. And in the message box, if you want to tell your mentor something like my handwriting is not good here, or else I've only done for 3 pages something, means you can give the message here. So yeah, above below this we can have study materials. In this study materials, mentors will be uploading any important questions here. And if students need to study or use the study material, they can download it here and they can study. So yeah, then we have assignment section. It will navigate us to this page. The assignment section, You can see the overall assignments given by 2 or 3 courses. For an example, I have 15 assignments, and I have 5 pending assignments, and I have submitted 10 assignments, and mentor had graded me 5 assignments. So here I can see the assignments, like for courses, like for environmental science, I have this assignment. For mathematics, I have this assignment. And you can also see the due date and if it is pending or not. And if you click on to the submit button, it will same navigate to this page, the upload page. So yeah, if you click on to the submitted means you can see the already submitted assignments, and if you want to edit, you can also edit it. And if you click on to the graded part, you can see the mentor feedback. And yeah, then we have chat section. It moves to the basic chat. Here we can go, and here if the mentor is holding any meet means it will notify you in the chat itself, and you can also communicate with your co-students. And yeah, then we have calendar. It will same goes to this part, navigating us to the calendar. So, and if you click onto the profile, you can see you can edit your profile, and you can go to settings, or if you want night mode, you can change to night mode, etc. So this is all about student dashboard. And there is also one more feature, that is if any help, like for an example, the student or mentor need any help, like these buttons are not working, or I can't see the awarded feedback properly means you can generate tickets to the super admin, because super admin is the one who is going to make anyone as a mentor, and he is the one who is going to add any student to a particular course. So super admin is the one who is having all the access about the courses and everything. So if we have any issue in our website, we can generate help tickets, where these token will be sent directly to the admin, and the admin can rectify those problems. So the super admin dashboard now will be presented by my other teammate Sindhu.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, Sindhu, you can go ahead.
Yes. Yeah, so ma'am, this is about the super admin dashboard, where a super admin can manage all the mentors and students. So this is the main dashboard of the super admin, and here you can see the like welcome back banner, where you can see this three mentor requests and two support tickets. Like these are the most immediate responses that you need to do, and in the quick actions, where you can directly go to that specific section of the dashboard. And this new user registration and management is where you can the super admin can register a new user by filling the full name, their email address, and like if he needs to assign a mentor, then he can click the user role as a mentor, and they can generate a mentor ID which will be unique. And if the super admin needs a student to enroll, then you can click on to the student user role, and a student unique ID will be generated. And onto the right side, we have this promote student to a mentor, where super admin can promote a student as a mentor. From this, we can select a student name, and he can be promoted to the mentor. So next, in this part, we have this overview analytics part, where you can manage like what how many students are there, and what are the courses, and the total mentors, and the recent activity and the support messages.
Next, in the recent activity, you can see what did the super admin did recently, and support messages will show what are the issues and the tickets faced by the students. In the next part, we will be having user management, where you can see all the users such as a mentor or a student. If he is a student, it will be displayed as a student, and if he is a mentor, he will be displayed as a mentor. And here also you can add the new user, like it's a shortcut. Same it is the new user and registration process only. Yeah, so this is about the user management section. Next, we have this course management section where you can see what are the courses and who is actually mentoring those courses. In this, onto the right side, we have these two buttons called edit and view. If you click the edit button, you can see the current mentor, and you can update the mentor as well, if so that if the current mentor is unavailable, or if you would like to change the mentor, you can just select the other mentors and just change that mentor. And you can also uh, add the name of the students, so that to the course, like you can add the new students. And here we have a delete course button if you want to delete any course. Yeah. So next we have this view button, in which you can see the mentor name, the total number of students, and the total number of students actually who registered to it, and the start date of the course, and etc. And next, this is about the course management section. Next, we have feedback responses, where the super admin can view what are the feedbacks given by the students to the mentors, such as Ali Johnson had given a feedback to Dr. Sarah Wilson, and so on, about all the responses given. This is about the student responses. Have the support messages section, where if any student in their dashboard is facing any issue, such as they cannot view a course, or if already they have completed the course but still the progress isn't showing in their dashboard, and other issues, so from the student dashboard they can raise a new ticket, and that ticket will be redirected to the super admin page, and the super admin can view what is the issue, such as this there is a student called emission who cannot access course materials. So you can, by clicking this view details button, you can actually view the other details, such as the images or other things. And by choosing this reply, you can reply to it, or if you want to assign it to a mentor, like if the super admin cannot resolve this issue, or you can actually assign it to the other mentors by choosing the other mentors from the displayed mentors list. Yeah. So this is about the support messages, and this is a notification section, where like the super admin can notify about upcoming exams or upcoming events to all the mentors or the students. Such as I have added here a button called announce new notification. By clicking this, we can type a message, and you can send it by selecting the audience. If you want to send it to all the mentors and students, you can press this to all button, and if you want to only send it to mentors, you can click this only mentors, or only students, if you can click only this to new students only. And this is about the notification center. And in the settings, we have the basic settings, such as the name, email, the profile URL, and other notifications toggle buttons, and with some privacy and security settings. Yeah, so this is about the super admin dashboard, ma'am.
Yeah,
Uh,
Sam.
to sum up, the smart feedback generator makes feedback faster, clear, and more personalized. It saves time, ensures fairness, and helps learning improve effectively. Since today we have presented the wireframings of our project, do anybody have any doubts?
Do we have any questions from the audience? Alright, yeah, thank you, Jayaprada and Sindhu. So,
Thank
yeah, so do we have P6, P17, and P30 here? Rakesh, will they be presenting?
Hello.
Yeah, Rakesh, do we have P6, 17, and 30?
No, no, they are interested.
Okay. Yeah, thank you for joining the demo day, guys. Thank you so much. Anna, so we're done for the day. So P6, P17, and P30 are not responding.
So three teams haven't presented, right?
Yes, Anna.
All right then. No.
Four teams, including P2.
P2, yeah, 4 teams.
Okay.
So we had 7 presentations today.
Okay, okay, sure then. Uh, yeah, thank you everyone who has presented. Nice presentation so far. Hoping to see final presentations of each of you sometime later. Yeah, I think this is demo day that is part of Internvita, and then this sort of practice will keep going on every 1 month or so. Yeah, so expect so every time it will be good to have the entire team to be present, to be there in this meeting and do the presentations. So I hope all of you will make use of this opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Anna. Thank you for joining. Yeah, we'll wrap up the meeting here.
Thank you, everyone.